Hey guys, welcome back to day 4 on how to use AI to print money. On day 4, I'm going to use Perplexity to make Tetris, but we're going to change it up a bit. We're going to add power ups to Tetris. To understand how we're going to do that, watch further. If you watched my previous videos, I've already mentioned that AI requires clarity. AI is very logical, but your logic and dynamics differ from AI's own logic and dynamics. So you have to be very clear in regards to what input you give to AI to get the right output from AI. If you need help creating apps and games and you don't know where to go, comment on this video saying that you need help, or you can just say prompts. So I asked Perplexity to make Tetris for me, but I asked it to make multiple variations similar to all the other games that we made: easy, hard, medium, and hardcore, like very hard. Then we added power ups: freeze, slow down, clear line, and all that. Initially, when Perplexity made the game, it ideally did not show me the controls for the power ups, or I don't think it activated the power ups in the first version. But then, after running the game and understanding the dynamics, I realized that the power ups weren't included. Even though they were mentioned in the game, they were not included. So, we had to re alter, modify Perplexity's codes for the game. The updated version, however, had all the power ups. Obviously, it came with a manual and instructions, so it was more easier to have a conversion when I was playing the game. Now, since I've been using Perplexity to make these games for the past 4 days, Perplexity now understands me better. It understands what it needs to ask me, it understands what I want. It understands the accuracy of what I'm looking at. It understands so much more because it now understands how I do things. I've given it that clarity. AI is very logical, but at the same time, you need to understand that you need to be logical enough to make it understand what you want. Once you build that history, once you build that record, it starts to adapt to your way of working. It starts to adapt to your perception. It starts to adapt to how you want to do things. And that is the priority that we are looking at. This channel is not only teaching you how to work with AI, but it's also teaching you how to build history with AI. And once your AI understands you, your work is 50% already done. And also, always be nice to AI. While you're building history, while you're building a record with your AI, it's always gonna remember how you have been behaving with it. Or end up like Will Smith in the movie iRobot, splattered all over the floor. To understand my playbook on a day to day basis, hit the subscribe button so we can create a community that can help each other. Thank you.